All right, so you want to lose weight? Cool. Let's get one thing straight right off the bat. There's no magic trick. If there was, everyone would be walking around with abs while eating donuts on the couch. But no, this is real life. And in real life, you've got to do the work. Step 1. Eat less. I know. Shocking. Revolutionary. But if you're eating like every meal is your last, your body's gonna treat it like that too, storing every calorie like it's prepping for the apocalypse. Eating less doesn't mean starving. It means stop pretending you're just snacking when you've actually had enough calories to feed a small village. Step 2. Move your body. You don't need to turn into a gym rat. No one's saying you have to train for a marathon. Just maybe don't be a couch ornament. Go walk, dance in your kitchen, take the stairs like it's 1994. But I hate working out, okay? I hate doing my taxes, and I still do them. Welcome to adulthood. Now let's talk about sleep. Yeah, sleep. That thing you skip to scroll through TikTok until 3 a.m. Sleep regulates your hormones, your hunger, your mood. And no, 4 hours with a triple espresso doesn't count. Turn off the screens, go to bed, and stop acting like sleep is optional. Drink water, not soda, not some neon-colored energy drink. Water. The clear, boring, magical stuff your body is basically made of. If you're constantly snacking, but never drinking water, congrats. You're not hungry, you're just dehydrated. And last but not least, you need patience. No, really. You didn't gain weight in a week, so you're not going to lose it in a week either. Stop stepping on the scale every 5 minutes like it's a slot machine. Weight loss isn't linear, and progress isn't instant. This isn't Amazon Prime. So here's the actual secret. Eat real food. Move your body. Sleep like it's your job. Drink water like it's wine at brunch. And stop looking for shortcuts. Sorry. No magic pills, no detox teas, no 7-day miracles. Just boring old habits done consistently. But hey, if sarcasm burned calories, you'd already be shredded.